Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John F.K. Page again. Just a message and suggestions and however you want to take it as. This is just a suggestion for all the motorcycle clubs, riding clubs, owners groups. For motorcycle owners, MCers, RCers, and HOGs. They really don't like mixing them up, but I gotta get them out there anyway. With the Sharia law that's coming in, or with the Muslims trying to push their Sharia law into everything, and there are constant civil disruptions. They may try to push up on your clubhouses because they know that you guys are not going to go for that Sharia law stuff. So this is just a suggestion. Google Sharia and Google the Muslim Brotherhood and the way they move, so that you can be prepared, have your clubhouse prepared for such an event. Okay, so the best way to combat your enemy is to get to know your enemy, so to speak. You never know. We got the new mayor in New York here. He'll be practicing taqiyya, but who knows? We got other areas throughout the country that are coming underneath Sharia. They're trying to push the Sharia law, and it's becoming dominated by the Muslims and Islam Brotherhood. And they're trying to create no-go zones too, so I don't know if you can break that up, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just prepare yourselves. Okay? Don't get caught unawares, because they may try and pull on a terrorist attack on one of the clubhouses, just to put a notch on their belt, so to speak. This is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John F.K. Page. Give you another video blog here soon. 2 wheels down, shiny side up. FTW.